Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Oshean and I make videos on personal finance, tech reviews, lifestyle hacks, and whatnots. So alam niyo ba guys that the best time to invest your money is actually 20 years ago. So kung dati nag-invest kayo sa stock market ng say 5,000 pesos, maaring yung value ng 5,000 pesos na yon might be double already or tripled or even times 10 already. Because market trends are always going up. So this is the reason that we need to take advantage of yung tinatawag natin na compounding interest. According to Albert Einstein, compounding interest is the eighth wonder of the world. So, he who understands it, earns it, and he who doesn't pays it. Meaning, may snowball effect kasi na in place every time na nag-i-invest ka. So, for example, 100 pesos, meron siyang interest na 10%. So, 10% of 100 is 10 pesos. So, yung 110 pesos mo, pwede pa siyang mag-interest ulit ng 10% and mag-a-apply din siya dun sa 10 pesos na tinubo mo. So that's the power of compounding interest. And we only get to take advantage of that opportunity if we are exposing ourselves to the market or that we are investing. So alam niyo ba, story time lang guys, I started investing in cryptocurrency nung nag-invest ako last year. Siguro mga Q4, yes. And right now, yung isa sa mga crypto investments ko, nang nag-invest na ako ng $150, almost $600 na yung value niya ngayon. So imagine, in just almost 4 months or 3 months, kumita na ako ng almost 4 times nung ininvest ko na money. So that's the power of compounding interest, and let's make sure that we take advantage of these things. So if you guys are curious how I did my $150 investment and kung paano siya lumaki ngayon, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it so that you will be notified once that video is up because I will be sharing it in the future. Pero alam niyo ba guys, before ko ininvest yung $150 na yon, pinag-aralan ko muna if how it will benefit me and what are the risks. Kasi pwedeng yung $150 na yun, pwede siyang mawala in just one snap. You know, when we're investing, we always take account of the risks that we are going to encounter, or we might encounter rather, if we are going to invest our money. So for today, here are my top 5 basic tips before you start investing. So my first tip for you guys is to set your financial goal. So dapat yung financial goal ninyo guys is that it should be smart, it should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and may time-bound siya. So meaning meron siyang time frame, dapat within say 6 months to 1 year, dapat ito yung ma-reach yung X amount of money. Ako, the reason why I'm investing is because I want to have my own house or my own condominium unit, and at the same time, I am also investing because I want to prepare for my early retirement. Ayoko mag-retire ng 60 guys kasi pag nag-retire ka ng 60, baka by then, wala na akong energy na mag-travel or do the things that I really want to do. So my second tip for you guys is to know your risk appetite. Marami actually tests sa internet kung paano mo mag-gauge kung anong klase ka bang investor. So medyo aggressive ka ba? Gusto mo yung mga tipong high risk, high returns na kunwari pag nag-invest ka say ng 100,000 pesos, gusto mo kumita agad siya ng 20% within 1 week. Yung mga klaseng ganong tests, pwede mo siyang makita sa mga websites ng banks. So I will link them down in the description box below where you can check some of them. But example would be from RCBC. So meron silang risk profiling test na pwede nyong gawin. By the way, this is not sponsored. And let me know also in the comment section if there are any other tests that you might have encountered. So please feel free to comment down below. So my third basic tip for you guys is to choose an investment scheme and study it before you invest on it. So guys, please wag kayong pa-FOMO or yung tinatawag na fear of missing out. Dapat alam mo kung saan mo ilalagay or nilalagay yung pera mo. So tandaan nyo guys, if the investment is too good to be true, then most likely it's a scam. Tandaan nyo lagi guys na higher risk, higher returns, okay? Kapag ang tingin mo yung investment na inaalok sa'yo say ng kaibigan mo or some stranger is masyado siyang sketchy or that parang ang bilis lang nung return of investment and medyo vague kung paano siya ginagawa, na parang wala masyadong trade-off, then most likely it's a scam. So my fourth tip for you guys is to diversify your portfolio. So guys, meron tayong saying na tinatawag na you shouldn't put your eggs in just one basket. Kunwari, nag-invest kayo sa stock market tapos bumili kayo ng stocks ng Jollibee. Say, nag-invest kayo ng 10,000 pesos. So, yung 10,000 pesos na yun, pag nilagay mo yun lahat doon at hindi mo siya diversify, pag nag-lose ng value yung 10,000 pesos na yun, wala, lugi ka. Paano pag nagsara ang Jollibee sa buong Pilipinas? Then, goodbye to your 10,000 pesos. So, that's what we mean when we diversify our portfolio. Kasi, sa pag nag-invest ka, uncertain talaga kung malulugi or kikita ka dun sa investment mo eh. Para lang yan sa loto that the more you invest, the more chances of winning. And so for my last tip is that as the saying goes, the next best time for you to invest is actually today. Guys, wag nyo nang ipagpaliban yung bukas, wag nyo nang ipagpaliban yung next week. So always do your research at lagi nyong tingnan kung ano yung mga factors that could influence your decision when you invest onto something. So, tandaan nyo lagi na mayroong risks talaga when you are investing. So, our featured comment for today is this one. Hindi ko na siya babasahin. But thank you very much for watching. And remember, the more that you learn, the more that you earn. I will see you next time, guys, on my next video. Bye!